On June 14, 2020, Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his Mumbai flat. Initially, his death was ruled a suicide, but later his father, KK Singh Rajput, alleged that it was a conspiracy and made serious accusations against Sushant's girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti, including abetment to suicide and embezzlement of money. Following Sushant's death, Bollywood faced accusation of promoting nepotism with claims that Sushant was a victim of it. The CBI also investigated the case but did not find any concrete evidence. Sushant Singh Rajput began his acting career with TV serials before transitioning to Hindi films. He starred in notable movies like MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Chhichhore, Dil Bechara and PK. His first film was Kai Poche and his last film was Dil Bechara. Cuban revolutionary Che Guevara was born on June 14, 1928. An Argentine Marxist revolutionary, Guevara played a key role in the Cuban Revolution. Originally a doctor, he was moved by the widespread hunger and poverty he witnessed, leading him to embrace the path of revolution. At the age of 23, Guevara traveled across South America where he saw Che Guevara was appointed Minister of Industry in the new government and visited India in this capacity in 1959. As relations soured between Russia and China, Guevara left Cuba and embarked on travels to various countries, including those in Latin America, to spread revolution. His activities eventually led to his capture by the CIA in Bolivia, where he was executed on October 9, 1967. Today, Che Guevara is remembered globally as a symbol of anti-establishment struggle.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
The American flag was officially recognized on June 14, 1777. On this date, the Continental Congress approved the design of the American flag, which featured 13 red and white stripes representing the 13 original British colonies and 13 stars in a blue field in the upper left corner, each star symbolizing one of the states of America. As the number of states increased, additional stars were added to the flag. Today, the American flag consists of 13 stripes and 50 stars, representing the current 50 states. Prior to 1777, the first flag of the United States that resembled the modern stars and stripes was an unofficial flag known as the Grand Union flag. This flag also had 13 red and white stripes, but in the upper left corner it featured the Union Jack, the flag of the United Kingdom, symbolizing the colonial ties to Britain. The Union Jack was the official flag of many British colonies and dominions. On June 14, 1940, during the Second World War, the German army entered Paris, the capital of France, through the northeastern borders of the city. Anticipating bloodshed, the governor of France had ordered the French military forces to withdraw from Paris a few days earlier. The French government left Paris on June 10, and by June 14, the German army had occupied the city. Following the occupation, the French government relocated to Vichy, while Paris was governed by the German military and French officials approved by the Germans. A curfew was imposed from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Since May 1940, the German army, under Hitler's leadership, had been conducting air attacks on Western Europe. In early June, Germany, along with its allies, advanced into northern France, capturing the port of Dunkirk. After occupying Paris, the Nazis began transporting prisoners to Auschwitz concentration camp in German-occupied Poland. Jews in Paris were forced to wear the yellow Star of David badge and were banned from public places. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated annually on June 14, with the first celebration held in 2004. In 2005, the World Health Organization officially declared June 14 as World Blood Donor Day during the 58th World Health Assembly. The theme for World Blood Donor Day in 2023 was Give Blood, Give Plasma, Share Life, Share Often. This year, 2024, marks the 20th anniversary of the celebration, and the theme reflects this milestone: 20 years of celebrating donation thanks to blood donors. The primary goal of World Blood Donor Day is to encourage more people to donate blood and assist those in need, as well as to express gratitude to regular blood donors and motivate them to continue donating. Regular blood donation is beneficial as it helps prevent iron deficiency, reduces the risk of heart diseases and heart attacks, and can identify medical issues like anemia or infectious diseases. However, it is important to note that blood donation should not be done every month. There should be a gap of at least 3 months between donations.